Hi friends, welcome back to our channel We Will Interact. Now we're discussing a new topic in the marketing management, e-commerce and e-marketing. It is very useful to plus 2 commerce students, BCom students and BBA students to study marketing management very easily. E-commerce is a new type of business model that enable a firm to conduct business over an electronic network. In other way, e-commerce is the buying and selling of goods and services on the internet. In simple means, all transactions are paperless and in electronic means such as EDI, email, bulletin boards, fax transmission, EFT, and internet. It is an advanced form of mail order business. Most of the products or service can be offered via e-commerce. E-commerce can be defined in various ways. One definition of e-commerce is sharing business information, maintaining business relationship, and conducting business transaction by means of telecommunication network. Features of e-commerce. First one, e-commerce is technology enabled. It means e-commerce conduct business by integrating of digital technology. Second one, technology mediated. Under e-commerce, buyers and sellers meet in cyberspace. E-commerce does not involve face-to-face contact. Third one, universality. Buying and selling take place through website. It can be accessed from anywhere around the world at any time. Next one, intercommunication. E-commerce technology uses two-way communication between buyer and seller. Seller or firms can communicate with the customers through e-commerce enabled website. On the other end, customers can fill order forms, feedback forms, and communicate with the firms. Next one, delivery of information. E-commerce is the best channel of communication. The technology used in the e-commerce ensure speedy delivery of information at a very low cost and increase information density. Next feature of e-commerce is electronic completion of business process. By using e-commerce, we can perform business transaction in global level very easily, like accounting and inventory. Virtual communities. Virtual communities are online communities created by means of chat rooms and specifically designed site like where people can interact with each other, having common interest using internet. Interdisciplinary nature. In the implementation of e-commerce needs a lot of knowledge such as managerial, technological, social and legal issues. Besides these, understanding of consumer behavior, marketing tools, and financial aspects are considered. Customization. Under e-commerce, product customization ensures that goods are made as per the requirement and preference of customers. Advantages of e-commerce or benefits of e-commerce. The benefits of e-commerce can be discussed under three heads. Benefits to business organizations, benefits to consumers, benefits to society. First one, benefits of e-commerce to business organizations. Increase in sales. And business is supported by internet-based selling. The total sale of business is increased. Second one, expansion of market size. Firms can reach more geographically scattered customer base. Better customer services. By using e-commerce technology, increase service efficiency during and after sales. Availability of current information. E-commerce website provide latest information about product, price, etc. If any changes in price or features of product, the companies can immediately display by editing the web pages. Reduced inventories. The time gap between pricing an order and actual receipt of goods reduced. It will also reduce the quantity of inventories to be held in stores. The firm can delivering the goods just in time manufacturing. Decrease in cost. There is a reduction in cost such as cost information processing, cost of processing customer order. Anytime business are open to the customers at any time and anywhere. That is 24/7. Benefits of e-commerce to consumers. First one, convenient shopping. The consumers need not go to shops. They can purchase goods sitting in their own houses anytime. More choices. Customers can choose from a wide variety of products and thereby buy product of the right quality at the right price. Hub of information. Customers can get access to greater volume of information by using search engine like Google. Better order processing. Gap between placement of order and delivery of goods is reduced considerably in e-commerce. Benefits of e-commerce to the society. First one, improvement in standard of living. Better information technology used in the e-commerce directly leads to economic development and also higher standard of living. More employment opportunity. E-commerce provide more employment opportunity to more persons, connect people with all over the world. Low price for the goods, low operating cost, increased volume of business, and avoid the intermediaries. Provide goods at prices lower than that of traditional business. Provide public services. E-commerce provide several public services like health service, filing of tax returns, etc. E-marketing or electronic marketing. It refers to the application of marketing principles and techniques through electronic media such as TV, computer, internet, etc. Under this, customers are contacted through electronic media, orders are collected through electronic media, and payment is received through electronic media. E-marketing is the part of e-commerce. It is also termed internet marketing, online marketing, etc. There are many companies which conduct marketing activities on traditional basis. They are not turned into internet marketing. These type of companies are known as bricks and mortar firm. While many other companies which conduct online business. Such type of companies are known as click only firms. Click only firms. But today, most of the companies do business on traditional as well as internet mode. Such companies are known as bricks and clicks firms. Advantages of e-marketing. First one, convenience. Under e-marketing, business firm open 24 hours in a day. So the firm offer the product in the internet in the convenient for customer. So offering the product on the internet which is convenient for customers. They can browse online store at any time and place orders when it is convenient for them. Second one, overcome the barriers of distance. E-marketing can sell goods in any part of the world without setting up local outlets. Next one, cost. Marketing cost of the product on the internet is less than the traditional marketing cost. It means not recurring the cost of property rental and maintenance. Do not purchase stock for display in a store, etc. Next one, building better relationship with the customers. When a customer has purchased a product from online store, begin the relationship by sending a follow-up email to confirm the transaction and thank the customer. Such type of relationship increase customer retention levels. Another point, increased social media. Internet marketing or e-marketing enable to take advantages of the growing of social media marketing information. Customers can access all marketing information about the product through internet very quickly. Difference between traditional marketing and e-marketing. In traditional marketing, goods are distributed through channel of distribution. Wholesalers, retailers, agents, etc. But in e-marketing, goods are distributed through direct marketing without any intermediaries. In traditional marketing, there is a boundary and scope of product distribution. But in a e-marketing, there is no boundary in the business, which is transmitted 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. In traditional marketing, customers are limited to a specific area. But in e-marketing, customers are global in scope. In traditional marketing, physical contact of buyers and sellers is possible. But in e-marketing, no physical contact of buyers and sellers. In traditional marketing, shopping is time consuming and often involves a lot of efforts. But in e-marketing, shopping is quick and effortless. In traditional marketing, transactions are more secured. But in e-marketing, a chances of cheating by dealers in dealings. In traditional marketing, business are conducted through traditional media. But in e-marketing, it is conducted through electronic media. In traditional marketing, transaction costs are very high. But in e-marketing, it is very low. In traditional marketing, payment is made by cash or check. But in e-marketing, payment is made through internet by e-cash, e-check, etc. Reasons for the growth of e-marketing. First one, increase in the use of electronic equipment. Large scale increase in the number of electronic equipment like personal computer, laptop, tablet, cell phone, etc. facilitate online shopping easily. Second, growth of internet. Internet is a global electronic superhighway of computer network. It is the network of network. Internet providers try to provide cheap and effective way to promote their product. Opportunities for small and medium enterprises. Now, these type of firms can compete against big corporations and multinationals. Cost effective marketing channel. Low transaction cost compared to traditional marketing attract more firms to e-marketing. Provide anytime and anywhere marketing, that is 24 into 7. Customers can access the website of company at any time and from anywhere. Interaction with a target customers. It is one of the reasons for the growth of e-marketing. The ability to interact with the target customers in real time. Global market opportunities. E-marketing provides global market opportunities to the sellers. Increase company image. Bricks and clicks firms increase their image, generate better revenue. Expansion size of the market and low cost of operation lead to increased sales and revenue. Consumer preference. Nowadays, consumers can get more opportunities in convenient shopping, facility to choose from wide variety of products, ability to buy from anywhere in the world, wide internet facility, low price, etc., which will attract more and more people to e-marketing. Popularity of social media. Number of people using social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. is also increasing the growth of e-marketing. Low price of goods. Online shopping offers significant reduction in price. This also led to considerable growth of e-marketing. Disadvantages of e-marketing. Lack of personal touch between the buyer and seller. Possibility of dishonest dealings and cheating by many sellers. E-marketing is not suitable for underdeveloped countries where the use of electronic media is not popular. Customers cannot physically examine the goods before buying. Attract worldwide competition through globalization. E-marketing is not suitable to all type of goods. It involves high maintenance cost due to the ever changing nature of environment.